Autotek, and today we're going to show you something that for most of us really isn't that interesting, but really plays a major part in the repair of your vehicle. We really want you to understand the entire process your vehicle goes through, from the moment it gets checked into service to it getting inspected, repaired, parts delivered to it, getting out on the test drive, and getting you back on the road. From our end, that means that we play a logistics game 24 hours a day to keep you rolling as quickly as possible. When you ask us to quote, how long is it going to take to fix my car? The answer depends almost entirely on parts vendors and suppliers. We know from a time perspective how long the repair should take to perform, but we're often stalemated by parts vendors, especially in times over the weekend. Now luckily, we're open 7 days a week, so we're here to support you, and we've partnered with vendors that are open the most extended hours available so that we can get you the best quality parts at every hour possible. Now the reason I'm standing in front of this empty shelf is because we want you to know that our incoming parts shelf is empty right now. That means that our service advisors are doing their job. The moment any part arrives on this shelf from any delivery driver, within 5 minutes a service advisor must grab that part, determine what repair order it goes to, and move it into the next staging area. As we move down our parts dispensing system, we have staged areas as parts arrive. On the bottom, we may have parts that have only arrived as partials while others are awaiting receipt, or we'll have parts coming in where one has come from one vendor and still waiting for another from the next vendor, and we'll always notate that not only on the ticket but in the computer as well, so that when you call in and you say, what's going on with my vehicle? What's the status of it? We can tell you that the vehicle's in, it's torn apart, one part's here, and we're still waiting on that pan gasket to get here. That way we can give you the most direct line of communication so you know exactly where we stand. Once all of the parts for a vehicle's repair come together, they move into the next area. At this point, all of the parts, the vehicle repair order, work order, and the key for the vehicle are placed together. That way, as technicians come through the facility, when they complete a vehicle in service, they will come to this area to grab the next one available. Now, as you look down, you'll see those orange traffic cones in front of certain bays. These are bays that are in active service, meaning the car is here, the parts are here, it needs to get repaired and get you on the road. If there's not an orange cone in front of that bay, that means a technician doesn't need to give that bay his attention at the moment. Either that vehicle's been inspected and is awaiting your approval, or it's awaiting the service advisor to give you a call and find out what we're doing with it. It may even be awaiting those parts to get here as well. But that orange cone means those are in active service, those cars are getting taken care of right now. That way, when you ask, are we doing the best possible, can we make the most efficient system to keep you out on the road driving? The answer is always yes. From the moment technicians arrive, they're able to see what work is available in front of them, what jobs need to be done, and in what priority order, so there's no questions to be asked, there's direct line to chain command, and we can make sure you get the most direct and communicative service the entire way. If you've got questions about your vehicle, or you're worried about the potential of where it's going to be serviced, how long it's going to take to get done, what's really going on with it, are the parts going to take too long to get there, we've got the answers to those questions here at Saul's Autotek. Give us a call 7 days a week at 303-919-7769. We're here for you.